So now to proceed with creating an API, we need one database in which we can perform the CRUD operations, that is create, read, update and delete using an API. And for this, we will first install MongoDB as our database. Well, installing MongoDB on Windows is extremely simple. First, you have to open the official site, that is mongodb.com. And in that, under products menu, you will find community edition, and under this menu you will find community server. So clicking on this will take you to the download page. So here is the download section from where you can download different versions for different platforms. And here we will keep the current version and platform Windows and let the package be MSI, that is executable file for Windows. Now click download. Once the file is downloaded, execute the MSI file and follow the on-screen steps. On product installation selection, click on complete installation. Just keep all the values as it is. Click on next and then wait for installation. So the installation is complete. Let's check the installed files. So here in Windows you will find the installation in C:/program files/mongodb server 5.0 bin in this path. Here you will find mongod.exe and mongo.exe. MongoD is basically a daemon process for the MongoDB system. It generally handles data requests, manages data access, and performs background management operations. Okay, so now to check it, we will first open command prompt. I'll type MongoD. So this will start the server process. Here we can find that it is looking for some directory in C:/data/db. So this is the place where the data will be stored. So we have to create a folder in C drive as MongoD is expecting, or we can create a folder at different location like we are doing here and then assign that directory path using this command. I'll say MongoD --db path and your directory path. Here we have d:/mongo/data/db. That's what we have kept it. Okay, now once again run MongoD and done. In case if there is some error which says command not found, you have to open environment variable and copy the installation path in the path key in user variables. Now open new terminal window and type Mongo and we are done. Let's check executing one simple command, show databases, that is show DBS. Let's press enter. So there it is, the list of databases. That means the installation is successful and we are good to go.